thing. In fact, most part of the state fencing have been completed, but in my area especially, that very only small stretch of fencing have been completed due to the people of the landowner. They are opposed to the policy of the government to fence beyond the 150 yard, beyond the zero line. They are not against the fencing if it is at the zero line, because as I said time and again, that fencing beyond the zero line, there will be a loss of land, and loss of land is a loss of livelihood people do. The government, both the government and the BSF and the security agency, they have informed the landowner that their cultivable land is even beyond the fencing. If it is within the boundary of India, they can easily go and cultivate their land there. But it is easier said than done, because once it's outside the fence, and we have seen, as you said before, that even now also, with so much strict vigilance by all the people, all the stakeholders, the people from the other side, they try to come who guarantee that. So the time has come that the government of India should be very flexible and come to terms and see that the people, the grievance of people should be addressed at the earliest, so that the fencing could be completed at the earliest. Infiltrate from across the border into Meghalaya. But this is a very alarming, because whatever we say, if this trend continue, it is very difficult for us and the people in the border area, not only border area, but people of the state and also the country as a whole. We don't know what happened, because what type of infiltrator, what is their motive, we don't know. So this is a very alarming trend which I see. But thanks to the general public, thanks to the villagers on the border area, we have seen that with the cooperation of the people from the area, and also with the cooperation of the BSF and the police, we hope that this thing they will able to tackle. But having said that, we have so much porous border. We cannot deny the fact that this attempt to infiltrate into the state will happen. So continuous vigilance is the need of the hour.
But